What is this? Wolf. I howl at the moon. What is this? Frog. I jump and say ribbit. What is this? Snake. I have no legs at all. What is this? Turtle. I move slow but steady. What is this? Crab. I walk sideways on sand. What is this? Whale. The biggest animal in sea. What is this? Shark. I have very sharp teeth. What is this? Dolphin. Smart and friendly friend. What is this? Octopus. I have 8 long arms. What is this? Penguin. I love ice and sliding. What is this? Duck. I say quack, quack. What is this? Chicken. I give you eggs daily. What is this? Bee. I make sweet honey. What is this? Ant. Small but very strong. What is this? Owl. I stay awake at night. Mission complete. You are a true English superhero. Keep building your confidence. See you in the next flight.